Hello, good morning, and welcome to another edition of The Good, the Bad, the Ugly. The Juice Review Show brought to you by the Department of Inhaled Vapours. Now, the two juices I want to show you today are Turquoise from Parrot Vapours and also from Parrot Vapours Pink. Now, both juices I'm doing today are 3 milligrams and are 80/20 VGPG, so should be cloudy little buggers. Just like to state for the purposes of this video, I am admin of the In the Clouds Facebook group, and these guys are one of our supporting vendors. Doesn't mean they'll be getting an easy ride through this. If the juices are in any way off the flavour profile, what they should be, or if there's anything wrong with the juice, I will tell you guys. I'm not being paid to do the review, I've just been sent these bottles. I've not paid for the bottles either. Taste is subjective. There's going to be stuff that I like flavour wise that you guys don't, and vice versa. If it's a flavour I don't like, that doesn't mean I'm going to be giving it a bad review. I will tell you whether it's hit the flavour profile that it is said it's going to. Please also remember that each individual setup will change flavour as well. Whatever settings and coils I've got will probably be different to yours, and we're all going to be getting something a little bit different, but that'll be in the same ballpark. Right, weapon of choice today will be the Vapor Shark RDA 40 with a Mutinex V2, and that's coiled to 0.47. Let's go on to it. Let's have a look at the bottles. Safety features. Because thanks to the FDA and everyone else, we have got to be so safety conscious now. Childproof, yes, as standard. Now, this did come with one of those terrible plastic tamper rings around the top. So that was all there. It's a childproof as standard as it should be. On the label, like the picture, I have to admit, do like the picture. Drip on my friends. If there was a comma in there, that might not sound so rude. Anyway, warnings. This bottle contains nicotine. Keep out the reach of children and animals. This product is Vortex mixed, steeped, and then packaged. That's a little bit different. And also you get, you can just see there their Facebook address and also their Instagram. Would maybe like to see just a little no 18s symbol on there. Probably would also like to see a batch number for traceability. As I say, like I've said in other videos, I'm not saying the juice is going to be bad, but if a problem does arise, then it can be traced back. It makes it easier for everyone involved. And also a born date would be nice. So we've all got juices that are, every now and then you come to one at the back of your cupboard or the back of your drawer and you go, can't remember when I bought that one, and then you don't know whether to vape it or not. So maybe a born or best before date on the juice would be a good idea as well. Anyway, on to the juice. I'm going to start with Turquoise. As I say, it's an 80/20 VGPG, so I'm looking forward to a bit of a cloud out of this. It's a nice long dropper. I love that, because there's two. You get some of them, and you get near the arse end of it, and you're constantly trying to tip your bottle and get in. And in the end, you just pour it into a needle bottle and squirt it in. Yeah. Now the smell I'm getting from that is grape. I'm getting a lot of grape. There is something else in there as well, but I'm definitely getting grape, which is cool, because I don't think there's enough grape ones out there, to be honest. Yeah, we're ready. Alright, I'm going to start at 30 watts. It's 3.8 volts, then we'll go up from there. Well, as you can see, as to be expected from an 80/20, the vape production is superb. There is a mild fruit hit to this, but flavour-wise, majority of what you're getting is grape, but there is this little back note of, it's another berry. has a back note of raspberry to it, but the grape does kind of take over. And the taste you're left in your mouth is grape. A nice ripe grape. That is nice. I'm going to go up a little bit, which means I'll probably obliterate the room. I'll go up a little bit more than that. I think we've got 35 watts. Well, yeah, that was to be expected. Flavour-wise, the grape comes a little bit sharper, but the raspberry does kick in a little bit more and blends in with it nicely. Actually, you've got kind of a raspberry jam almost taste, which would be jelly to you guys in the States, but jam to us guys over here. Oh, that's nice. Out the nose actually enhances the raspberry flavour. The raspberry does get that hangs around in the mouth lovely afterwards with this grapey berry on the inhale. That's nice. That's nice. I could quite happily recommend that one. I could quite happily do that one all day, to be honest. It's very refreshing. It's very juicy. And leaves a lovely aftertaste on the tongue afterwards. Yeah. So if you like your berries and you like your grape, turquoise is a very good mix. I'm just going to give this a quick burn out, and I shall get the pink in. Now, pink one I've been looking forward to. I'm a massive fan of lemon, and any combination you can have with lemon, and because it's generally a mouth-watering, quenching, first quenching kind of it. It's a really gets the taste buds going. Yep, we're all glowing. Right, got slightly sticky fingers today. There we go. Smell the bottle. Lemon. Not really getting much else, but definitely lemon. Just a little tip there when sniffing the bottle. Don't shove it up your nose. Right. We're going to take this down again. Then we'll take it up again. Go around 30 watts again. Ooh, that's quite nice. It's more of a cloudy lemonade flavour. It's a bit more sharper. And that other flavour, which I didn't actually get from the smell, is strawberry. Which kind of calms the lemon down a little bit on the exhale. Oh, that is nice. Throat here's a little bit, but then it's lemon. And I say it's quite a sharp lemon, so I'm contributing that to the lemon flavour. And the strawberry just calms it down on the exhale. And you are left with just a combination of the two playing with your tongue afterwards. That is nice. Late production was good, but I say 80-20. I'm anticipating. If it wasn't, something's gone severely wrong. Alright, we're going to go up to 35 watts. But 35 watts, you're getting a lot better blending of the two flavours. Normally with high VG, you have to, you've got to pump the power up a little bit just to help everything out. But yeah, it's just a lovely, refreshing summer drink flavour. So the lemon actually on the higher watch, the lemon hangs around more on the tongue. But the main actual vape, from like the start to the middle, is more a combination of the strawberry and the lemonade together. That's nice. Yeah, that's definitely so good into my rotation. That is a lovely any time I actually feel like a vape. So yeah, I'm impressed. That's the first time I've had these guys. Strawberry lemonade, yeah, that's a no-brainer. That is straight in the rotation. And if you like the berry, grapey type things, that is another good one. That I said about the labels earlier. I did have a little bit of a surprise and found that these are available in the UK now as well from the Liquid Bar, which is owned by Amir, who did does a lot of Penguin stuff, P Vapor, and he's also he helped do the he was the guy who did Vape Jam as well in London, and he's got these in. He's got the pink and the turquoise in. I would like to try the others. I have seen some of the flavour profiles of some of the other of the Parrot juices, and after just based on the strength of them two, I'd like to try the others because yeah, that is a good juice. So, on behalf of myself, Darren Stone, head of the Department of Inhaled Vapors and also admin of In the Clouds Facebook group, I bid you all a very good day and I hope to see you soon. Bye.